This is BirdNote. Snow geese flocks are massive. During migration, they gather in the tens of thousands, and they coordinate their movements with the skill of schooling fish or starlings that turn together on a dime. These snow geese are resting on the surface of the water. Then, the sight of a bald eagle spooks them, and they all take flight simultaneously. That big whoosh is the wings of 1,000 snow geese beating together, creating a rush of air like a passing freight train. Here it is one more time. As the tornado of geese whirls in the air, their calls build to an enormous crescendo. Like a school of fish swimming close together when there's a shark, these snow geese use their numbers to protect themselves. Flying in a big, compact flock, they make it harder for a predator to pick off a single bird. It's a display of skill and grace that for a snow goose, it's just a fact of life. For BirdNote, I'm Ariana Rimmel. BirdNote is grateful to Dr. Gordon Oriens, a co-founder of BirdNote's Science Advisory Council, for his generous ongoing support.